Creatives. In today's video, let's get crafting. I have these glass vials that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and they were $1.25 each. I also have 5 candlesticks that I picked up. I want to use those today. I have some spray paint by Rust-Oleum, and this is in the copper color, and I picked it because it kind of looks like rose gold. I pulled out 2 pieces or types of bling wrap. I have this bling wrap I'll be using in today's craft, and I also have this flower bling. Now, I did purchase a large roll of this from Amazon, and I will link them in the description box below. So the first thing I want to do is to remove the tags and clean my glass. I have my Glass Plus or spray away. I just want to spray the inside of the glass or all of the glass and make sure that it's clean because I will be gluing the pieces together. While I'm doing that, I want to take a moment to thank everyone that's viewing today. If this is your first time stopping by, I want to say thank you, and I hope you see something you like that will make you want to join the creative family. Leftover from another project, I have some power grab, and this is what I'll be using to glue my pieces together today. It is clear and it will dry clear. Since I have 5 of the candlesticks, I decided on 5. I'm going to make 3 candles. So I'm gluing 2 and 2, and I'll leave the 1 as single. I am making these candles for someone, and when making my candles, I do like to do them in groups. This one I'm doing in a group of 3. Now I added some water to this little spray bottle, and I just want to mist the inside of all my glasses. While the glass is still damp, I pick up my paint and I do little pumps of paint on the inside. I'm not trying to cover the whole thing. Then I'll take a paper towel and I'll damp it out or dry it out. I'm just taking away all the dampness. Now this will leave like where the water beads were, it will leave a clear area, and it looks like this. 1 down and 2 more to go. I repeat the same process and set them all aside to dry. It is the next day and everything is dry. My candlesticks are dry. Also, the paint in my glasses is dry, and it looks really, really beautiful. So let's set everything aside, and we're going to go ahead and work on the candlesticks. I have the 2 different bling wraps, the flower bling wrap and the bling. And what I'm going to do is clean up my edges, and I'm going to cut them down to rows of 2. I want to use this to cover up the seam where I glued the 2 candlesticks together. So let's go ahead and get it cut. I'm using my hot glue gun for fast adhesion, and I'm using my Gorilla Glue for that permanent hold to glue bling wrap around the candle holders, and I'll also use it on some of the other flat surfaces of the candlestick. I'll then take my flower bling wrap. I cut it into single pieces, and I also cut it into single rows. I'll use the singles to go around the bottom of the candlestick. And here's a look at what it's looking like. Absolutely beautiful, simple but beautiful. Now we're ready to take the single rows that I cut, and we want to go around the top, and also around the bottom of the jar, and I'm using my fix-all. So that's done, but I'm looking at it and it needs a little more something. So I'm going to take these little rhinestones and I'm going to put it in the middle of each one of the bling wraps using a little bit of hot glue. I'm just separating them, and sticking them inside the little flower. I love how it looks. It's bringing the right amount of sparkle, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to the bottom of the vase also. It's time to connect the pieces. I have my candlesticks here and I have my bowls. I'm going to use some Power Grab by Locket. It does dry clear, and this is what I'm going to use to glue my pieces together. I'll grab a little bit of this hot glue to use for that fast adhesion. I'm going to get everything connected and we'll come right on back for the reveal. Don't go away. My candle holders are absolutely beautiful, and I think my client would love them. Now, I went ahead and put some tea lights on the inside. They are absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. But you guys don't forget to let me know what you think. And also, make sure you comment and let me know if you think my client will like it. This is the color that she was requesting to go with a dinner party that she was having. Also, if you've enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. I want to thank you all for watching. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.